Imagine if you could take the unshakable security of Bitcoin and combine it with the incredible technology of Ethereum. For years, these two giants have been separated. Bitcoin has the money, over $1 trillion of it, but it's slow and hard to build apps on. Ethereum has the apps and the DeFi, but it lacks Bitcoin security. But what if I told you there is a new project that finally bridges this gap? A project that has top-tier investors silently pouring millions into it, and it calls itself the Hybrid Layer 2. Is this the project that finally unlocks the trillion-dollar Bitcoin economy? Today, we are breaking down Bob, Build on Bitcoin. Hi, I'm Sienna, a programmer, trader, and Web3 expert who's been learning and trading crypto since 2018. I create simple, easy-to-understand, and ad-free videos explaining crypto concepts and projects in short, clear formats every week. Subscribe to my channel for more high-quality and simply explained videos. Also, like the video if I helped you. So, what exactly is Bob? The name stands for Build on Bitcoin. In simple terms, Bob is a hybrid layer 2. Think of it like a superhighway built on top of Bitcoin. Here is the problem it solves. Developers love writing code for Ethereum because it is easy and flexible using something called the EVM. But they want the security and the users of Bitcoin. Bob acts as the perfect adapter. It allows developers to write apps exactly like they do on Ethereum, but these apps are secured by the Bitcoin network and can use Bitcoin liquidity. It effectively brings DeFi, decentralized finance, to Bitcoin users without making them leave the Bitcoin network. But why should you care? Why is this different from other projects like Stacks or Rootstock? The secret sauce is liquidity. Currently, massive amounts of Bitcoin are just sitting in wallets, doing nothing. We call this idle capital. Bob is designed to unlock this capital. Because Bob is EVM-compatible, which means it speaks the same language as Ethereum, it allows the thousands of existing Ethereum apps to copy-paste their code directly onto Bitcoin. This is the special advantage. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It takes Ethereum's speed and tools and anchors them to Bitcoin's rock-solid security. Now let's look at the potential. A project is only as strong as the people backing it. Bob has raised over $25 million in funding. But look at who gave them the money. We see names like Coinbase Ventures, Castle Island Ventures, and Mechanism Capital. These are smart money, investors. They don't just throw money away. They invest in infrastructure that they believe will survive for the next 10 years. Does it have investing potential? Yes. The project recently completed a major community sale, and they are moving toward their token generation event. The token will be used for governance and staking security. With the current trend of Bitcoin DeFi growing in 2025, Bob is positioned to be a leader. If they succeed in moving even 1% of Bitcoin's value onto their layer, the potential growth is massive. Bob is trying to wake up the sleeping giant of crypto, Bitcoin. If my video helped you, please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to know what is the biggest NFT marketplace on Solana that the whales are pumping right now, check out my other video that you see on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.